I'm in trouble. I'm being sucked with the current down a channel. I could head out to the Pacific here anytime. I saw a buoy off to my right. I'm thinking, I'm gonna see if I can maybe latch onto this buoy and not get dragged out to the ocean. Kind of put my head down, I started swimming again. I started kind of cutting diagonally across to get to the buoy. Head down, swimming away. I'd look up to kind of see where I was going. I was already past the buoy. The current has got me by the balls here right now, and I'm being pulled this way. And that's when everything changed. It went from survival, you know, I'm big, strong swimmer, I'll get across, to, you know, I'm not gonna get out of this.